In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable multiple answers in SurveyMonkey, as well as how to allow users to submit the survey multiple times. These are two distinct features, each with its own set of steps, so let's dive right in. When you're designing a survey, sometimes a question requires more than just a single answer. Maybe you're interested in respondent preferences or gathering detailed feedback where multiple options could apply. In cases like these, we'd want to let people select more than one answer. To achieve this in SurveyMonkey, we'll use the checkbox's question type instead of the standard multiple choice option. Let's walk through how to set this up. First, head over to the Design Survey section of your SurveyMonkey account. Once you're here, you'll want to select Build. This is where we can decide on the type of questions we want to include. From the list of available question types, select Checkboxes. This choice allows respondents the freedom to select multiple answers rather than being restricted to just one. Once you've chosen the Checkboxes option, enter the question you want to ask, along with the answer options. After you've inputted your question and answers, don't forget to save your work. It's always a good practice to preview the survey, ensuring that respondents will be able to select multiple boxes as intended. Previewing will help you catch any errors or adjustments that might be necessary before you distribute the survey to your audience. Now, let's shift gears and talk about how to let people take your survey more than once. This feature can be useful in numerous contexts, such as on shared devices at a kiosk where multiple users might be taking the same survey consecutively. Here's how you can manage that. Start by navigating to the Collect Responses section of your survey. You'll see various ways to distribute your survey, such as a web link, website, or through social media collectors. Click on the method you've used and locate the Multiple Responses option. You'll want to turn this feature on, which will allow your survey to be taken multiple times from the same browser session. This setting is crucial when the same device is used by different respondents throughout the day. Let's go over an important tip here. Most collectors, by default, will only accept one response per respondent or browser. If you're using email invitation collectors, remember they don't support multiple responses per contact. Therefore, if you need more than one response from the same email contact, you'll have to create a new email invitation collector for additional responses. And there you have it. You've learned how to allow multiple answers to questions and enable multiple survey submissions in SurveyMonkey. With these changes, you can gather more diverse and comprehensive feedback. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.